Hey you guys, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I went real quick to the dollar store because I got chemo right now, but I don't start till a little bit later, so I decided to go to the dollar store and see what they have. And I found some Christmas goodies and then just regular stuff that I needed. I picked up these plastic plates, and you get 8 of them for my son's birthday party. Of course, I'm doing the Fortnite theme, so I decided to go with the white. I picked up the tablecloth in the white as well. I picked up the birthday candles, and I got them in the silver. I love picking up this set because they have the little holders on here, and I love the extra happy birthday candle on there that they give you. This is one of my favorite candles to pick up. And I picked it up in the silver because I couldn't find it in the white. If not, I would have picked it up definitely in the white. So I picked up a water bottle. I love to get them there. I'm going to take this over there to the cancer. I'm always thirsty when I'm going through the chemo. And I also picked up some snacks because you're allowed to take snacks in there, and I'm always hungry. I picked up the cashews, which are really good from the dollar store. If you guys haven't picked them up or tried them, go ahead and try those. They're really good. As well as the sweet and salty mix. One of my favorites from the dollar store. You guys, if you haven't tried them, try them. They're really good, and so are these. And they're really good to take with you on the go. If you're ever hungry or you need a snack, that is like the perfect snack right there. Okay, so I did pick up some Dollar Tree Christmas items, which I'm waiting. I've been waiting to show you guys. Look at what I picked up. How cute are these stinking ornaments? How cute are they? They're little gnomes, and they are adorable. Look at how cute the gnomes are. So I picked 2 of them up. I'm gonna go ahead and do something for Christmas that I thought they would fit perfect at. So I picked up one for me and one for my friend Chrissy, so I could send it during Christmas. These are so cute. I thought these would be cute on her tree or in her daughter's tree if she has one in her room. This is adorable. So I picked up 2 of them. You guys, if you see these are so cute. All you have to do is comb the little mustache on there, but they are cute and they're well made and they're super tiny. So if you're gonna give somebody like a small little goodie bag for Christmas with a couple chocolates in there and a gift card, you can add this little gnome on there, and it actually would be really cool. And you get 4 pieces of them, so you can't go wrong with them. Look how cute they are. Just clean them up, you know, brush their little mustache, and they'll be fine. So I picked 2 of them up. I could not leave them. They're adorable. And if I need for another project, I'll just come back to the same dollar store and hopefully they have them. But you know how that goes. They're not going to have them. So I found these little cute mini bowls. Look how adorable these are. You guys, you know how I like to put my chocolates into the little pretzel bags? These are going to be perfect to top off the pretzel bag, to put it on the top. These little mini bowls are going to be perfect for the chocolates. So when I found them, I took 2 of them. There's 12 in each, so now I have 24. And if I need them, I'll come back to the dollar store and hopefully they have them. But you know how that goes. If you don't get it now, it's gone. You're never gonna find it again. Like, never again. Let me tell you, if you see something from the dollar store and you love it, just go ahead and pick it up. If you don't love it later, go ahead and return it. That's all you have to do. There's no shame in that. But if you don't, you're not gonna find it again. Trust me, it's gonna be gone. And these are so adorable, and they're perfect for my chocolates. So you know I'm gonna be giving out chocolates for Christmas, and I'll probably do a giveaway as well, like I did last year, and the person that won the chocolates was so happy. These are cute for the top of the chocolates, and even for a top of a goodie bag. And once you tie it up, you can add a little bow on there, and the colors are perfect, which are green and red for Christmas. They also have like a little bell on there, so I thought these were perfect. So if you see those, pick them up. Now for my ribbon this year, I was looking through a ton of ribbon, And I actually found the ribbon I want to use this year. And I didn't find it in the Christmas section. I found it in the regular ribbon section. So this is going to be my ribbon for this year. I thought this was so cute. The little cars on here are adorable. And then this one, I found it in, it has like a gold little strip in the middle. I thought it was so Christmassy. It just called out my name. It says Susie pick me up, so I had to. I picked up 2 of the red and 2 of the truck because this is going to be my ribbon for Christmas. And I did not pick it up in the Christmas section, guys. I picked it up in the ribbon section, just so you guys know. Because sometimes you guys ask me and be like, oh, well, what section did you get it at? I can't find it, because you guys are looking in the wrong place. But this was in the ribbon section, and you'll find it there. You're not going to find it in the Christmas section. But I thought it was so Christmassy, and I love the color. It just spoke out to me, so I picked up 2 of each. So I'm almost done. I was walking around, and I was actually taking video and stuff and recording for you guys like I always do. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I have a ton of stuff there. You guys, if you don't have an Instagram, go ahead and make one. It's free, and you guys are going to love it. You get to see different pictures and different styles, and if you're looking for Christmas stuff, you'll find a ton of stuff on there. Trust me, go ahead and check it out. You guys are going to love it. They have so much stuff on there. It's crazy. So I did not find them last year. I found them this year. Look how adorable they are. And can you guys see the Christmas trees on there? They have Christmas trees. Look how cute that is. I gotta go in slow motion so you guys can see the little Christmas trees on there. So these are going to be perfect for your decoration, for your 2-tier tray, just to put them on top of your mantle. You guys, these are perfect for Christmas. They are affordable. They're just $1. They're simple. They're cute. They're very, 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 very cute. And I was fortunate enough to find 2 of them. So I got really lucky at the dollar store, and I got 2 of them. Trust me, the thing was like empty. Like they just took them all. And that's how it always goes at the dollar store. If you do not get your hands on something, if you get your hands on something, take it, because it's going to be gone. And trust me, these are adorable. They're a good size. Let me show you. Look at my hand. They're a good size. They're really cute. They're really affordable, and you can put them anywhere to just give it a little of that extra Christmas. And they have it in green. Oops. They have them in green, and they have them in blue. I picked up a blue one for my friend Chrissy. This is for you, girl. Look how cute that is. So if you like the blue, oh my God, this is adorable. And I'll be sending her this for Christmas. Chrissy, this one's for you. So they do have a green one. I did not choose the green one because I didn't find a need for it. But if you guys like the green, if you find it and you like it, go for it. They have it in the green, the blue, and the red. So there you go. I gave you a little bit of Christmas. You guys, I hope you like it. I hope you like my haul. I'm on my way to chemo right now. So I'll see you guys later. And until next time, you guys, my eyebrows are still on. Thank God they haven't fell off. Bye, you guys.